Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Iva and in today's video I want to show you my homemade pizza recipe. The other night I decided to make homemade pizza from scratch and it turned out really good. If you're interested in this video, keep on watching and I will leave the recipe in the description below, but I will also leave it on the screen. You can pause it and just check it out. First thing is dissolve the yeast in lukewarm water and then mix the dry ingredients in a bowl. Just mix everything together and add the yeast mixture. And at this point is when I wished I had one of those KitchenAid mixers, but they are kind of pricey, so I will be using my hands. Maybe this is the worst part of the whole process, but honestly it was all worth it at the end because the pizza turned out really crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. It was like a restaurant quality, and the best part was I could pick my own toppings. I am coating everything with olive oil, covering it with saran wrap and leaving it for a few hours. I actually left it overnight and kept it refrigerated. And we are going to the next part is the homemade marinara sauce. I'm using a can of crushed tomatoes, adding a clove of garlic, some salt, a little bit of sugar, black pepper, oregano, and one bay leaf that I will just cook with it and then remove it right after the sauce is done. A little bit of olive oil, and that's about it. And I took the dough out of the refrigerator, cut it into half and let it rise again. Afterwards I ended up cutting each piece into another half and made 4 pieces out of it, but the most important part is to leave the dough to rise again. And I'm making this chili infused olive oil that goes really well on top of the pizza after you take it out of the oven. Just adding a little bit of olive oil, and I'm using chili flakes that have garlic in them, and just let it sit for a few hours so the flavor kind of infuse the oil. One of the most important things when you make pizza is to preheat your oven to the maximum degrees. Mine was 500 degrees and I left it for about 45 minutes. You want your oven super hot. And if you're using a stone, heat it up with the stove so it doesn't crack when you put it cold. Then I'm using parchment paper, a little bit of cornmeal, and just stretching the dough out, and from there on it's just experimenting with the toppings. And my first pizza was veggie pizza. guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. I love making videos and I need this motivation that people are actually watching my videos. Thank you so much and I will see you guys next time. Bye!